Well, I love her a lot. I wasn't thinking it was...
Think about it like this. I mean,
What's going on?
Let's go.
Let's do this! Come on! Give me the...
120 remaining.
This better not be paced. Not a lot of time left! They got nice stones in this joint. Quick hands, man! That's why you get your cut! Let's go! Let's go! How you doing over there?
A minute left.
Here we go. I'm on it, Holmes. Grab it and move! Let's go! How we doing? How we doing?
50 seconds.
Hey, buddy! You keep handling the merch like that, you're gonna earn your 12%! Okay, come on. Grabbing what I can, Holmes.
40 seconds.
Alright, we're running out of time. We gotta step it up if we're gonna hit the target.
Half a minute left.
Alright, that's our target. Keep it up, see how much we can get. Let's go, let's go! This better not be paced.
Yo, so for the last time, move it.
Man, get the fuck out my face.
Oh!
You forget 1,000 things every day, pal. Make sure this is one of them. I'll see you at the river. Go!
Let's go, come on!
Map says this way, boys, all right?
Kareem, you the driver? Shit, where we going? I could do with some directions, Kareem. You are a bitch. No, loser. Oh! Ooh! Hey, ain't the driver meant to be telling us where to go? I'm driving blind back here. Headlights on now.
Suspect sighted entering construction entrance on the Del Perro Freeway. Do not pursue. Hold for possible exit points. Entrance on the Del Perro Freeway. Do not pursue. Hold for possible exit points.
Keep going, okay? Yeah. But I didn't know about the split up here. What the fuck? My bike don't like this mud.
Hey, these sports bikes ain't handling the mud. You should have got some scramblers, man.
I picked these for speed. No one told me about the mud. I hope I'm guessing right. Shit! Oh crap! What the fuck is this? I can't take much more of this! The truck better be here! I hope this is the exit we're after!
The police know where you're coming out in the river. We're here to help, but get ready for a warm welcome. Waiting for you in the LS River. We're here, but be ready.
Shit, man, we screwed.
Don't worry, I got you.
Bull butter on the truck! I'll make short work of these cops! Should we give ourselves up? Oh, it ain't much of a river. Drive across it. Fuck, man, can you get their office? Cops, they're waiting for us. What the hell's wrong with you, man? I ain't built for this kind of pressure. I'm out of the car, man.
I should charge more for getting involved in police chases.
We need to go. We need to go. We need to go. Serious, man. I can't take much more of this. Back across the other side, right?
Looks clear to me. Fine work, boss.
All right, we got a window. Let's stop at the end of the river, get the bikes in the truck. F, come on, get in. Lester's waiting for us at the lock.